Today we're testing out the crispiest recipes on the internet. Don't forget to thumb this video. First up is this crispy rice salad that's taking over everyone's feed. Welcome back to my kitchen. Your kitchen chaotic queen is back, ready to tackle some crispy recipes. It's like my hair is also crispy. I'm gonna line my tray first and then pour. Got like already cooked rice. This was from this morning and I just let it cool. So she just like pops it on her tray and then you season it. To season, in goes sesame oil. Soy sauce, she uses both the normal light soy sauce and then dark soy sauce. And then we're gonna put chili crisps on top and massage and work that in. You don't wanna see plain white patches anywhere. You wanna coat it evenly. I feel like a rice masseuse. It's like, oh yes, get into those knots. Now I'm gonna spread it out thinly on my pan. Got my seasoned rice. I'm gonna pop it in the oven at 200 degrees for about 30 minutes. Halfway, I'm gonna mix and turn it. Our crispy rice, it's crispy. Can you hear how crispy it is? I'm gonna try a piece just to show you how crunchy it is. Oh. I'm questioning this. It tastes like bird food. Like, it's not great. It's sticking to my teeth. I thought it'd be super seasoned, but it's just meh. It just tastes like burnt crisps / bird food. But maybe once we assemble the salad, it will taste better. So, fingers crossed. Let's make the actual salad. So I've got my diced avocados, but I think you can basically put whatever you want. She adds in a whole bunch of cucumbers. In goes edamame beans, green onions, and then I've got my chicken tenders that I've air fried. I'm just gonna cut them in. La 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 la. And now the star of the show that isn't a star right now, the crispy rice. I'm trying to break it up. The sauce is gonna save the day. So for the sauce, I added in sweet chili sauce, mayo, Greek yogurt, paprika, and a little bit of water to thin it out. Drizzle that on top. Oh, I say I added water, but it's still a little bit thick, but that's okay. Give that a mix. Almost done. I just need a touch of sesame seeds and voila. Time for the moment of truth. Wait, Al, come, you try it with me. We're in this together. We suffer together or we enjoy it together. Get a bit of everything. And obviously the rice. It's not bad. I would not eat the rice by itself, but on top with the chicken and the other elements of the salad, I think it works. What would you rate this? I'm exactly the same. Even though the crispy rice is supposed to be like that wow factor, my advice is to not put that much. Unless you want a jaw workout because gosh, this is so chewy. There's like a selection of people that love the burnt rice. Like with Asians, like there's people that love that burnt rice, scorched rice. If you like that, maybe you would enjoy this. The dressing, the flavor is there, but yeah, not a huge fan of it, but I think it deserves a 1 thumb. I've never tried sushi like this. That looks pretty easy to make, right? I feel like I can't go wrong with this one. For this, I'm using Japanese sushi rice. So the grains are the short grain rice. Now, I don't know if she seasoned her rice, but usually you put a little bit of like sushi seasoning. I did just beforehand. Do you think we need to grease it? I didn't see her grease it, but I feel like makes sense, right? Makes sense. This is one of those recipes that doesn't really have a recipe. I'm just going off the video. Some rice into each pan. I will say that I don't think I have ever like put rice in the oven. Got 7 pans filled. Now you just want to find something that can compress the rice and make a little dent in it. I'm just using Lila's little medicine cup. Okay, I think that works. This is really satisfying. I'm kind of worried though. I don't know if it'll crisp up. Like, is that too thick, do you think? We shall see. According to one of the comments, we're supposed to bake it for 30 minutes, but I don't know at what temperature, so here goes nothing. Whilst the cups are in the oven, I'm going to slice up my salmon. I just got like sashimi. You want sashimi grade salmon, guys, okay? You can't use any raw salmon for this. I'm kind of like lazy, so I'm just gonna use scissors. Alfred was like, oh my God, if you worked at a sushi restaurant, you would be fired. I'm gonna season the salmon with Japanese mayo and sriracha. Ta-da! I'm gonna set that aside and then check on our sushi cups. Here are the sushi cups, a little bit crispy and burnt around the edges, but I think that's what we need. So I'm gonna pop them out. No, it's kind of stuck. I need to pry it. Spider-Man to the rescue. Oh, can you imagine if we didn't grease our pans? The struggle is real. Just imagine me at a Japanese restaurant doing this. Like, I'm like one of those sushi chefs in front of you. People will just be like, yeah, I'm leaving. I got this. Hi, it's coming. Okay. I'm pretty sure they don't wear these. I'm pretty sure they don't wear their hats like this, Al. You can't see me, but I can see you. Konnichiwa. Just like that, I'm a professional sushi chef with an outrageous hat. I'm just gonna professionally plate this up now. I can't see, but I'm committed. Honestly, you'd probably give me like a 1-star rating, right? Spoiler alert, I bought this salmon from a sushi restaurant, like, and now I'm reserving it to you. I can't see. I can see the salmon though. Can't see the camera, but I can see the salmon. Then we're just gonna garnish, and this is where the magic happens. Greens just elevate everything. Oh, hey, voila. And then add a bit of like spring onions on top for extra green. I'm gonna have to let you in on a secret. I added a secret ingredient to the salmon because I did taste it earlier. Since I'm a professional chef, it needed soy sauce. Just gonna share that out there. Salmon and soy sauce. That looks amazing, if I may say so myself. It actually looks really good. Like if you went to some fancy party and someone was serving these canapes, you would be all up in that waiter's business. My sushi is like stuck to the chopping board. Head chef, because I gotta try my work, right? Oishi, oh, sugoi. What? Why? I'm kind of like angry.
I think it's the rice.
It's completely the rice, which was the star of the show, but like it's really bad. Did I make it too thick? Do you think I made it too thick? The texture is so weird, but I'm hoping that this like soy sauce will save it. Do you think it's just under-seasoned? It's better, but not great. No, I'm sorry guys, I'm fired. I'm firing myself. That is bad. I think like the texture is all weird. It's like crunchy, but then some parts are not crunchy. And like, even though I seasoned the rice, it's just lacking. Double thumbs down. Do not make this recipe. Not good. Just stick with normal sushi. We're trying to like this, but it's hard. The salmon was expensive, so eat that part. You know, sushi, it's all about the rice as well, like one of the main ingredients. And when you crisp it up, it just ruins it. I think maybe I made it too thick. But even if I ate the crispy part, I don't think I'd like it. No. You can't go wrong with this crispy treat.
These are the best things I've had in my life. Kinder Chocolate is already undefeated, but when we made these bad boys, it honestly changed my life. I don't even think I'm hyping them up enough. That is how good they are. Literally 10 out of 10. Make them right now. Follow for more.
Welcome to this side of my kitchen. We are going to melt a stick of butter, my daughter's marshmallows. Then we have 16 bars of Kinder Bueno. Oh, I just realized, rewatched the thing. Oh, I need to like pick out some of these because I need to use it for the layer of chocolate on top. Ah! Do not mix with the marshmallows and butter, guys. Sorry. Whew. Crisis averted. This looks disgusting, by the way, guys. Like, okay, we shall wait. Guys, am I doing something wrong? This does not look like how it's supposed to look. These marshmallows won't turn to goo completely. Ugh. Like it smells amazing, but looks disgusting. Why? Oh, it's so lumpy and bumpy. Okay, after like a good 10-15 minutes, we've got this smoother concoction. It's looking better. Next, I'm gonna pour this into the Rice Krispies. I lied, I didn't get Rice Krispies, I got Rice Puffs. I was trying to find a good substitute so that then Lila can eat a little bit more and I won't feel as guilty. Pour that in. Wow. Mix that in. It smells like caramel sauce, guys. I'm just gonna pour the rest of this. This is reminding me of my childhood. I used to have LCM bars in my lunchbox like almost every day. How unhealthy was that? It's looking like natto. It's stringy. Baking tin. I've lined it with parchment paper. Gonna empty this into that. Oh. Go, go. This is gonna be good. Press that down. Ours is gonna be maybe a little bit thinner than their one. Ow, it's hot. Do not touch the mixture. Once that's looking like compressed maggots, we're going to put... I'm just trying to turn Alfred off so he doesn't eat that much, so then I can eat more of it. That's my tactic. I'm gonna melt the rest of the Kinder Bueno. Now I'm gonna pour the melted Kinder Bueno on top, and I am realizing I don't think I have enough to cover this. No! Oh no! It's like the most pitiful amount. Only half of it's gonna look good, guys. It does not look as nice as that person's one. These are not even gonna stick to anything, but okay, I'll just place them on anyway. And then I'll cheer myself up with the last piece. Don't look at that, look at the top. We're gonna have to let this cool in the fridge before cutting it, so patience. It's been a couple of hours. I've taken this out and we have a special guest, Lila. Ta-da! I was getting ready in the morning and she wanted to be a cat, so hence why she is a cat today. But we need Dad's help to cut it because it's so hard.
Dad, can you help?
Daddy's so strong.
That's because he has muscles.
Oh, he has muscles? I've never seen them.
Mom, feel his arm.
Feel his arms? Oh, are you tempted because I don't feel it? Where's the muscle you feel? That's bone.
Number one hype girl.
Is this, yeah, Alf's #1 fan. I think once we cut it, it won't look as tragic. Do you want a big one or a small one?
My mouth is a little bit small.
Your mouth is a little bit small, so Lila would like a small piece. All right then, cheers. Can I tell you something? This is the best thing I've made all day. It actually tastes really good, guys. Like, this is like mind blowing.
The same.
Okay, what are we gonna rate this? Double thumbs up, guys. Double sticky thumbs up. Imagine if it looked good as well. It would be like 10 out of 10. This is probably like a 9 out of 10. It was easy to make too, so I feel like this is definitely a crowd pleaser if you're looking for like a quick snack. I mean, quick in the sense of making it, but you gotta wait for it to set. Honestly, yeah, I'm so glad we ended with this one. Well, that is it to this episode. If you guys want to see more kitchen chaos, subscribe and check out my playlist below. Don't forget to thumb this video. I shall speak to you guys next time.